Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to use Credit Karma to file taxes for free. So first, go to creditkarma.com and log in or create an account. Click on the tax section or go directly to creditkarma.com/tax. Hit Start My Taxes to begin your filing process. And enter your basic personal info such as full name, SSN, and address. After that, you will upload or input your W-2 or 1099 forms. After that, you will answer questions about deductions and credits to lower your tax bill. And then Credit Karma will estimate your refund in real time. Also, double check all your info before submitting. Once you're done, click Submit to IRS. Your return is filed electronically and no mailing required. You will receive an email confirmation once it is accepted. Track your refund through the IRS website using your confirmation number. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.